So I'm going to do a quick mukbang of my cheeseburger here at Red Robin's. First, my daughter's got to come in here. Go ahead. After you. After you, go ahead. All right, I'm back. A little ketchup here. Salud.
Alright guys, so what I have here is that's what I got here is Red Robin fries.
That's burger number one. Burger number two. I love you, honey. Enjoy your food. So delicious. Look at that. Cooked perfect, nice and medium. This is truly delicious. Yeah, look at that. Look how cooked perfect. I'm almost done, Mike.
Cookies will be out in a minute. Check's going to be on the tablet for you guys whenever you're set. Are you part of the Lawrence program? So you can log in on there with your phone number before you pay.
I was saying, make really tasty burgers here. Tasty cheeseburgers. Yeah, cooked really perfect. My wife just wanted a fork. I'm not cheating. Yeah. You're welcome.
No, not out the emergency yet.
So I'm just about to be finished with my second Red Robin gigantic big cheeseburger. Not too shabby. Mukbang in the house, baby. Two down, baby.